free to ask. Now, evolution of computer programming language. So broadly, what is computer programming languages are not very relevant for us. But what basically why we are referring computer programming language for the reason being because computer programming language help us develop something what we call as computer programs, right? Computer programming language is broadly what we talk broadly help us develop computer programs. Now, the software which we generally talk about are nothing but computer programs. What is software? Software is nothing but computer programs. However, there is one problem that computer programs which humans write in English language is not comprehensible by computers because computer understand only one language. What is that language called? It is called machine language. What is this machine language? Machine language is nothing but combination of ones and zeros. So what you are able to see here is machine language. What you are able to see here is a computer programs written in English language or you written using different computer programming language. So this is written in C language. C programming language, this code is written. But when we convert it into machine language in form of zeros and one, this is how it would look. Whether computer understands this, the answer is no. Whether computer understands machine language, the answer is yes. Okay. So every computer program,
Sir, computer
every
is
computer,
sir,
yes,
computer
yes.
transfer the language into machine language, or we have to
No,
do
no.
it.
Yes, yes. मैं आपका सवाल समझ गया. So computer does not convert this, English computer programming language, computer program into machine language. But for this conversion, we have software which we call as compiler. What is it called? Compiler. So compiler is nothing but a software which is used for converting your computer program, which is broadly written in human comprehensible language into simple machine language. So computer automatically does not do it. It is done with the help of software. What is that software called? So it is called compiler. Did I respond to your query? So machine does not do it automatically. There are software which converts this into this. Everyone, जिन्होंने सवाल पूछा था आंसर मिल गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now the big question is ये जो ये इंग्लिश रिटन कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम होता है उसे टेक्निकली सोर्स कोड बोला जाता है और जो ये मशीन लैंग्वेज होता है उसको ऑब्जेक्ट कोड बोला जाता है. One more time. So this English written computer program, which is written using different programming language, which in the present case is C programming language. This computer program is called source code. And once it's converted or converted into machine language using compiler into zeros and ones, it is called object code. Now the big question is, what do we protect under copyright as a computer program or software? Whether we protect the source code or we protect the object code, the answer to this is we protect both. So the computer program which has been defined under section 2 FFC of the Copyright Act, it defines computer program to mean set of instruction expressed in words, codes, schemes, or any other form, including machine readable medium, which is basically your machine language. So the copyright protection in computer programs is given to both source code as well as object code, and computer programs are protected as literary work. We have talked about in copyright literary, artistic, dramatic, and musical work. I hope everyone remembers. So that's computer program for us. I hope everyone is able to understand. Um, Now, are there any cases? So yes, there are a couple of cases. Let's quickly refer to them. So the first case is Saeed Asufuddin case. We are again referring to it. So in that case, we have referred the computer program, that is software, is an original literary work protected under Copyrights Act. We have just referred to the provisions of the Copyright Act, and the judgment in Saeed Asufuddin has also clarified that. Similarly, in Autodesk versus Prashant Deshmukh, it has been declared by Delhi High Court that pirated software amounts to copyright infringement under Section 51 of the Copyrights Act. So we have already talked about Section 51 of Copyright Act. What does it talk about? It is copyright infringement. So whether the softwares or the computer programs, so computer programs and softwares can be interchangeably used, but software is more computer program is a broader concept than a software. So software is a subset of computer program. So just to give you a simple example, this bigger circle is computer program. Software is a type of computer program, because software is not just one computer program, but it's a package of computer programs put in together. So different programs perform different functions in a software. I hope we are able to understand.